Have you ever wondered how the ancient Indians predicted astronomical events with such precision and without the use of modern technology? A question that leads us to the enigma of ancient Indian astronomy. At the heart of this enigma lies the Surya Siddhanta, a remarkable astronomical treatise that dates back to the 5th century, if not earlier. The Surya Siddhanta is no ordinary text. It is a testament to the scientific prowess of ancient Indian civilization, a testament that unveils the mysteries of the cosmos. It is a treasure trove of knowledge, covering a wide array of topics from cosmology and celestial mechanics to timekeeping and mathematical formulas. It is an exploration of the universe and our place within it as understood by the ancient Indians. Let's take a moment to marvel at the breadth of topics the Surya Siddhanta covers. First, we have cosmology, the study of the universe, its structure, and the arrangement of celestial bodies. This is followed by timekeeping, which encompasses methods for measuring time, including the calculation of days, months, and years. Then we delve into celestial mechanics, the movements of the sun, moon, planets, and stars. And if that's not enough, the text also details the prediction and calculation of solar and lunar eclipses. It doesn't stop there. The Surya Siddhanta also describes the tools and instruments used for observing celestial phenomena. It presents mathematical equations and formulas used for astronomical calculations, and it provides descriptions of the Earth's geography and its relation to the celestial sphere. But what about the human connection? The Surya Siddhanta acknowledges that too. It explores the influence of celestial bodies on human affairs, including horoscopic astrology, and it highlights the significance of astronomical events in Hindu rituals and worship. In the upcoming scenes, we will delve deeper into these fascinating subjects. Each one is a piece of a larger puzzle, a puzzle that reveals the scientific wisdom and sophistication of ancient Indian civilization. As we delve into these topics, you will get a glimpse of the scientific prowess of the ancient Indian civilization. Imagine a universe with intricate celestial structures, a vision that ancient Indians painted through the Surya Siddhanta. This ancient astronomical treatise takes us on a journey through the cosmos, detailing the structure of the universe and the arrangement of celestial bodies in a way that is both sophisticated and profound. The Surya Siddhanta describes the universe as an egg-shaped entity, with the Earth positioned at the center. The sun, moon, and planets are set in motion around the Earth, each following its own unique path. It paints a celestial canvas filled with constellations, each with its own story and significance. This text also delves into the concept of multiple universes, an idea that resonates with modern cosmological theories. Each universe, it suggests, has its own sun, moon, and planets, existing independently and yet interconnected in the grand cosmic dance. This ancient text provides a detailed cosmic blueprint that rivals some of today's cosmological theories. Timekeeping and celestial mechanics were not just theoretical concepts but practical tools used in daily life. The ancient text of the Surya Siddhanta outlines fascinating methods for measuring time. Days were not simply dawn to dusk, but intricate units divided into 60 gatikas or 24 hours. Each gatika, in turn, was divided into 60 vigatikas or 60 minutes. This meticulous division of time was key in facilitating daily routines, rituals, and even the planning of significant societal events. The year too was calculated with precision, based on the sun's position in relation to the celestial sphere. The Surya Siddhanta defined a year as the span of time it takes for the sun to return to the same point in its orbit, which we now know to be approximately 365 days. But the ancient text didn't stop at the sun. The moon, planets, and stars also played pivotal roles in timekeeping. The phases of the moon, for instance, were used to demarcate the months. The positions of the planets and stars, their orbits and movements, formed the backbone of celestial mechanics, enabling our ancestors to create accurate calendars and predict celestial events. The celestial mechanics described in the Surya Siddhanta are quite advanced for their time, including descriptions of the elliptical orbits of planets, a concept that wouldn't be reintroduced to the world until Johannes Kepler in the 17th century. The Surya Siddhanta even touched upon the axial tilt of the Earth and its effect on the changing seasons, a concept we now refer to as the precession of the equinoxes. This intricate system of timekeeping and celestial mechanics was far more than a theoretical exercise. It was a practical tool that shaped everyday life, guiding agricultural practices, religious rituals, and societal structures. These precise calculations were instrumental in predicting astronomical events and guiding societal activities. So while we might take our digital watches and smartphone calendars for granted today, let's remember the intricate dance of celestial bodies that our ancestors observed, understood, and harnessed to measure the passage of time. These precise calculations were instrumental in predicting astronomical events and guiding societal activities. The prediction of eclipses, the instruments used, and the mathematical formulas form the triad of ancient Indian astronomical brilliance. Let's delve into this fascinating world. Eclipses, both solar and lunar, were subject to meticulous prediction and calculation in the Surya Siddhanta. Ancient astronomers observed the moon's movements relative to the sun, and based on these observations, they could predict when the moon would cast a shadow on the Earth or find itself hidden in the Earth's shadow. Phenomena we know as solar and lunar eclipses. But how did they make these observations? They relied on an array of astronomical instruments, some of which were incredibly simple, like the gnomon, a vertical stick used to measure shadows. Others were more complex, like the armillary sphere, a model of objects in the sky, consisting of a spherical framework of rings that represented lines of celestial longitude and latitude. And let's not forget the mathematical genius. The Surya Siddhanta is replete with mathematical equations and formulas, allowing for precise calculations of celestial movements. Some of these formulas are so accurate that they rival modern astronomical calculations. In essence, the prediction of eclipses, the use of astronomical instruments, and the application of advanced mathematical formulas formed a triad that underscored the sophistication of ancient Indian astronomy. Ancient Indians' mastery over these areas showcases their scientific acumen and innovative thinking. The Surya Siddhanta extends its wisdom beyond the sky, linking celestial phenomena with earthly matters. Its teachings delve into the intricacies of our planet's geography, the influence of celestial bodies on human affairs, and the significance of astronomical events in Hindu rituals and worship. Let's consider geography first. The Surya Siddhanta presents a unique and profound understanding of Earth's geography. It describes Earth as a sphere suspended in space, an idea far ahead of its time. The text also explores the relationship between the terrestrial and celestial spheres, laying the groundwork for understanding how celestial bodies influence life on Earth. Moving on to astrology, the Surya Siddhanta outlines the profound influence of celestial bodies on human affairs. This ancient text is the basis for Jyotisha, or Hindu astrology, which seeks to understand and predict human destiny based on the movements of the stars and planets. It's a fascinating blend of science and spirituality, where the forces of the universe are seen to shape human experiences. Lastly, the Surya Siddhanta delves into the significance of astronomical events in Hindu rituals and worship. The timing of religious festivals, the orientation of temples, the performance of sacred rites, all these are deeply intertwined with the movements of the celestial bodies. For instance, the festival of Makar Sankranti, marking the sun's northward movement, is celebrated with great fervor as a testament to the sun's life-giving power. In essence, the Surya Siddhanta doesn't merely present a scientific understanding of the universe. It offers a holistic view that unifies the celestial and the terrestrial, the scientific and the spiritual. It underscores the interconnectedness of all things, a concept deeply embedded in the philosophy of ancient Indians. This holistic approach unifies the celestial and terrestrial, highlighting the interconnectedness perceived by ancient Indians. The Surya Siddhanta is not just a text, but a testament to the scientific genius of ancient Indian civilization. As we wrap up our journey through this fascinating work, let's revisit the key points from each topic. In its cosmology, the Surya Siddhanta paints a vivid picture of the universe's structure, revealing an understanding of celestial bodies and their arrangement that is awe-inspiring, even by today's standards. The text's approach to timekeeping, with its intricate calculation of days, months, and years, showcases a remarkable grasp of temporal mechanics. The celestial mechanics section, detailing the movements of the sun, moon, planets, and stars, is testament to the ancient Indians' observational prowess and mathematical acuity. and their ability to predict and calculate solar and lunar eclipses as outlined in the text is nothing short of astounding. The Surya Siddhanta doesn't stop at observation and calculation. It also describes various astronomical instruments, providing us with a glimpse into the practical side of ancient Indian astronomy. The text's mathematical formulas are a testament to the advanced mathematical thinking of the time. The sections on geography and astrology offer insights into how ancient Indians related their terrestrial existence to the celestial sphere. And finally, the text's discussion of rituals and worship underscores the significance of astronomical events in Hindu life. In essence, the practical applications of the Surya Siddhanta in ancient Indian astronomy are vast and multifaceted, reflecting a deep understanding of the cosmos and its influence on human existence. A journey through the Surya Siddhanta is an exploration of the sky, time, and life itself, as envisioned by the ancient Indians.